maintenant.
Oui.
You have, even when you don't go for a wee, you do exactly like if you were doing stop pee-pee, which is stop wee.
Stop pipi et stop gaz.
And stop, like if you have a gas coming,
Si
stop
vous arrivez
it.
à sentir la différence entre
If you can feel the difference, the mechanism of stopping to wee that's your superficial pelvic floor. That's how you work the superficial one. That's that feeling.
Au début, tout bouge. Hein. Après, on apprend à faire ça.
At the beginning, when you do it, you just contract everything. And after that, when you master it a bit, you manage to control what part of your pelvic floor you can contract. So
Il faut
just the
aller-
front, just the back, or...
Il faut aller lentement quand on va aux toilettes au début pour sentir pipi, c'est pas au même endroit que les gaz, l'arrière.
When you go to a toilet, for example, for a wee, try to go really slowly.
Pipi.
Control
Your wee
it.
really
Yeah.
slowly and stopping really slowly so you can properly feel the muscle itself. Which part is it and where is it?
Donc le stop pipi, c'est un test. Si les urines s'arrêtent, c'est bien, c'est le périnée qui travaille.
So when you do wee stop, it's a test. If you manage to stop weeing, that means you are doing a good exercise with your pelvic floor, the
Crumbs.
superficial one.
Mais
gonna be hard.
quand on fait stop pipi sur les toilettes,
When you do stop wee on the toilet,
on fait remonter le pipi dans la vessie.
you make your wee going back to the bladder, so it's not good to do it all the time. So do it even when you're not in the toilet. Exactly the same thing like if you were blocking, not going
Voilà.
for a wee.
C'est ça, t'as expliqué qu'il
Ouais.
faut le faire en dehors des toilettes. Ok. Ça, c'est le périnée superficiel.
That's for the superficial pelvic
C'est
floor.
pas suffisant pour tout porter.
It's not enough to carry all the organs.
Donc après, on apprend aussi à travailler le périnée profond.
So you need to learn to work your deep pelvic
C'est
floor.
très interne.
It's really inside.
Donc on se sert du muscle abdominal transverse.
It's we use that muscle, which is the transverse abdominal. is it?
Transverse, yeah.
Quand on rentre le ventre,
If you
si on fait pas attention,
if you do that,
on
push your
rentre ici. Et la poitrine, elle s'ouvre, ça fait joli.
if you suck in your belly, normally we all do that. Your boobs go a bit out and you look pretty.
Mais
But
c'est comme le tube de dentifrice. On
But it's-
serre là,
but it's
et
like
tout monte et
toothpaste.
tout descend.
so when you squeeze there, that part goes up, but all what there is inside push down,
Et on abîme le périnée.
and you damage your deep pelvic floor.
Donc, on doit apprendre à rentrer son ventre autrement.
So you need to learn to put your belly in differently. On peut le
Alors,
montrer l'exercice.
alors voilà,
Tu veux sur moi?
on lâche le ventre.
So you go like that. You
Et-
do a big belly,
On va serrer que ça.
and you try to contract only
On ne
that
serre
part.
pas l'estomac.
Not
On
your
lâche
stomach and
l'estomac.
your abs, just the deep part there.
Okay.
On souffle et on laisse le ventre rentrer tout seul. On
How
fait
do you
rien avec le
isolate
ventre.
that though?
You
How do you
just
isolate
blow
it?
all the air you have, and you blow until your belly goes inside by itself.
Alors d'abord,
And when you get rid of all the air you have inside,
Quand on fait
your
ça-
deep pelvic floor is gonna
quand on fait
contract
ça, on sent que le vagin il est aspiré.
and push everything up. And when you do that, you can feel your vagina going a bit up, and that means
Ici.
you putting everything up.
Yes. Vous sentez.
Does everything.
That's a lot to take in, actually.
Il faut beaucoup se concentrer.